In this video, I will show you one of the Elm databases titled Expora Teams. So once you're in Mac and VIA, you're under Databases, you'll see Elm Databases. Click Open Now. Once I am in here, you'll see Expora Teams. This is a database. It's going to have a lot of different types of information. So it's going to have books, journal articles, newspaper articles, multimedia types of information. So a good all-around place to look for different types of information. Here you can, again, they give you some topics. If you want, you can choose those. So for example, if we want to learn about Fidel Castro, we can click on that under biography. It's going to bring us to a list of results. Now you'll notice we have almost 6,000 results here, which is too many. So we can use this left-hand side column here to refine our results. So if I go down here, you'll notice we have, it's under Fidel Castro, we have full text automatically enabled here, so that's good. But maybe I want something more current. Maybe I want things since 2000, so maybe just since the last 6 years. So that would really narrow it down. Well, I guess it took out about 2,000 results, so not quite as much narrowing as I'd like. But maybe I want just biographies. Maybe I don't want all results. Maybe I just want information about Fidel Castro. So you can see here now I'm down to 32 results, much more manageable, and I could continue to narrow it down if I wanted to, because maybe I wanted to make a lexile range. So maybe I wanted to lower that lexile a little so it's a little bit more accessible. And here we go, we get some different results. Now this might narrow it too much because maybe 3 results is too few. In that case, I can click on this little X to get rid of something I've refined with. So if I want to look on here, I can see here several results. It's sorting by relevance right now. I could change that to newest and see what comes up. Okay, so it depends on what you're looking for. If you've gotten your results narrowed down and now you just want, and they all look really good, maybe you want to sort by newest. But I'm going to go by relevance right now because I'm looking for something about Fidel Castro. So I want to make sure I'm getting that. So here you can see these little icons mean something. So for example, this means reference. This little icon is looking at biography. And if we maybe skip a couple pages here, let's see if we can get periodical. So those are magazines and newspapers. So you can see different types of information there. So I'm going to go back to my first page. And I'm going to click on this article, Fidel Castro. And here is the article. So again, it's not a lengthy article. It is an encyclopedia type entry, so I'm not surprised that it's a little bit shorter. You'll notice here on the right-hand side we have some tools. So again, we don't really use the add to folder option, but you could print, email, save, cite, export. Again, permalink is again an option to use. Email would maybe be another good option, but remember permalink is that one where if we copy the link, it will get us back here no matter where we are, and so we don't have to worry so much about getting back into Mac and VIA and then clicking on Elm, that kind of thing. Here we have the listen feature as well. If you want to cite it, we have that option to cite, and we just want to find the MLA. So again, good options there. If we don't want to click on a pre-selected topic, it's taking a little bit here. There we go. If I wanted to just do a search, I could. So I might want to consider doing an advanced search, only because then I could do some narrowing down right away. So for example, it will search full text, but maybe I want to search for Mount St. Helens, and maybe I want to look at the eruption in 1980. And so here I can, I could go into here and say I want it to be a subject, which is always a good one. Subject or keyword are your good search terms. You'll notice I had 145, and when I changed it to subject, I got no results. So I need to broaden that again. I could also again select more options down here. I could say I wanted something particular, like I might say I want newspaper articles, and so that's selected, and then maybe I'll just go back up to this optional and leave it open. And if I do search there, here we go. So 128 results, quite a few, but I might find that this is very helpful. So news article from the time, that might be helpful. But you'll notice it's not bringing up any reference material, so no encyclopedias, no books. Oh, I fibbed, there's a book. Maybe I want to then make sure I've narrowed it. Here we have all results. I want to just look at news results. All right, so this would be things that are in the newspaper. And this might be very helpful because maybe you want articles that were printed in newspapers in Washington at the time. So for example, I can click on Mount St. Helens again, and here it is. So I have the full text, I can see the article, and again, you have all those options. So the interface, it doesn't seem to matter if you search in the search bar or if you search by looking at their pre-selected topics. It does appear in this database that you are going to get the same kind of look to it, which is not always the same for other databases. But this is another good database for just a variety of information. If you're looking for newspaper articles, encyclopedias, magazines, multimedia, this would be a good one.